Yo, and E46 Source here. Still just relaxing on this Sunday. Still see I'm still here watching videos on E39 Source. Yo, if you did not find my channel coming through E39 Source, if you never been on that channel, man, go check them out. Great videos. Anyway, that's not what I'm here for. I'm here for, I don't know if y'all seen my video of me showing my 1983 BMW 528E. And in that video, y'all remember me saying the rims that I was gonna put on my E46 that are black and chrome and come on the 330 series. Well, these are the rims I'm talking about right here. This is what I'm thinking about going with. See those rims right there? It looks sharp on that car. They're 17s. Those are the factory versions. Now, these are the wheels that I was talking about. They're the same exact wheels, just in black and chrome. So I was thinking about putting those on and then putting the BMW center cap in there. And you may can see it or not. Put my finger right there. You see where it even has the cutout for the M badge to go right there. So you buy the center caps and the M badge put right there, and you'll have the factory 330 M Sport rims. I don't even think you can see it on there now. It's bad. But I mean, those rims just look so sharp on that car originally, and I just got a feeling getting it in black and chrome would even be better. My only thing that I wish that these rims were made. I wish these rims were made in a bigger, like an 18 or 19. So while I was looking around, I did find these rims right here. Hold on one second. These right here. That looks pretty decent. They're not the same. They're not made like those, but it's a similar style. Thinking about getting these are 18s. Only thing is, if I do decide to get these, excuse me, I'm gonna contact the seller and make sure that the center cap is able to pop out, because I do want a BMW center cap. If I can't put a BMW center cap in there, then that's gonna automatically disqualify the rims. I'm not even gonna waste time buying them. But as long as I can take that center cap out, which I'm pretty sure I can, most aftermarket rims that's made for BMW, Mercedes, their center caps are able to come out so that you can put your own center cap in. So yeah, that's probably the route I'm gonna go, and that'll look real sharp on there, and I'll be happy because they're 18s. Cause I feel 17 is a little small. The thing with 17s is, in order for it to look right, I have to make sure I get the right tire size. What I mean by tire size is I mean in the trim, the thickness. Because too fat of a tire makes it look too much like a stock rim. Too thin makes it look aftermarket, but then you suffer on ride quality. You're going to feel every bump in the road. And the E46s are amazing quality cars, like how they drive on the road. And you don't want to do anything that's going to hamper that or make that bad. So the trick is finding the right tire that's going to look good but still drive good. I like these on here. I wish I could zoom up and see what size 17s are those. Are those 255s or 245 17s? I don't know, but I wish I could see that, because I really like that style right there. Because the tire honestly makes that much of a difference on those rims. You know, I'm trying to see if I can find some with too thick of a tire and show what I mean. Like this right here, it don't look bad, but it's too thick of a tire. I wouldn't want a tire that thick. So yeah, I mean, if I did it, I would just have to do my homework, find the right tire size. But those 18s, if the 18s right here, let me pull them back up. If these 18s right here can pop that center cap out and let me place a BMW in there, probably gonna go with these. Probably gonna be good to go. And see, I'm already gonna change my see, that's the center caps that you can put on either one. Well, hopefully you can put it on the 18, but no, you can put them in those in these 17s right here. But what I was thinking about doing is ordering this set right here, because I was already thinking about changing my hood and trunk emblems to well, I'm sorry, these actually going inside. Hold on. Yeah, these are hood and trunk, and then steering wheel. I wasn't gonna change my steering wheel, but what I was gonna do was change my hood and trunk emblems to these black carbon fiber looking emblems. That was actually gonna be probably one of my next videos that I was gonna do for my E46. was how to change the emblems, and because my one on my hood is fading. I didn't know if I wanted to go back with the original BMW or the black and white carbon fiber look. And since I'm going with black and chrome rims, I was thinking it probably looked good if I went with the black and carbon fiber. But what I didn't think about doing was doing my center caps on my wheels. So I might end up getting this whole set right here. Not a bad price, $33.99 on eBay. Excuse the TV in the background. I'm watching Twitch TV, and the entertainers are just going live. But so that's a thought. I don't know. I haven't gotten that deep into it. My first thing is just gonna making sure that I can take these center caps in. So I'm gonna probably contact this dude tonight, ask him does it pop out. It look like it, and if so, I think that's the style of rim I'm going. Cause it's not too different from this rim. This is the rim that I want. And like I said, to give it this, it'll look just like this BMW right here, but just black and chrome or black and aluminum to be more specific. So yeah, those are the updates that I'm probably gonna do to my car next. Just sharing this with you to get feedback. And like I said, if you haven't checked out E39 Source, please go check them out. Great channel. This is how I got started, and watching their videos and following their steps with them. So anyway, this is Ant E46 Source, and I'm out.